Hi, my name is Chinule Tessera, and I'll be doing some stand-up comedy. One time, a man broke into a bank riding on a horse. What did he say in his defense? I was just horsing around. What did one plate say to another? Lunch is on me. What do you call a fish wearing a bow tie? Sophisticated.
Hello, my name is Justin. I'm going to tell some jokes today. So first off, why did the robber steal the bathtub? He wanted to make a clean getaway. Why couldn't the pony sing happy birthday? She was a little hoarse. And finally, if a seagull flies over the sea, what flies over the bay? A bagel.
The Mogollon Monster is an object of Arizona stories, legends, and folklore. There have been multiple sightings of this creature over the years, and it has been described to be around 7 feet tall and kind of ape-looking. They've reported it in Arizona's Mogollon Ridge. One person claimed to see a guy with long matted white hair and 2-inch long nails. So he doesn't bite his nails as much as I do. And then his hair was kind of gray, he said, so I don't know what was going on and why he can't just pick a color. Then apparently the hairy guy screeched and threatened him with a club, which is low-key rude. Other sightings have reported seeing other colors, such as reddish-brown and black. So either there are multiple of them, or he just goes and gets, like, his hair dyed or something. I don't know, but better chances are that there's multiple because it's not like there's any salons. People have also described this creature as being square and boxy. So the moral is, if you're in Arizona and you see a big hairy guy with fabulous long nails and kind of built like a fridge, you should probably run.
Thou wast that all to me love, for which my soul did pine. A green isle in the sea, love, a fountain and a shrine, all wreathed with fairy fruits and flowers, and all the flowers were mine. Ah, dream too bright to last, ah, starry hope that did arise, but to be overcast, a voice from out the future cries, on, but o'er the past, dim gulf my spirit hovering lies, mute, motionless, aghast. For alas, alas, with me, the light of life is o'er. No more, no more, no more. Such language holds the solemn seed to the sands upon the shore. Shall bloom the thunder-blasted tree, or the shrieking eagle soar. And all my days are trances, and all my nightly dreams are where thy grey eye glances, and where thy footstep gleams, and what ethereal dances by what eternal streams.
Defend yourself.
Hi, my name is Sebastian, and I'm going to defend myself talking about Mexican food.
My name is Subaya, and I'm going to be defending Asian food.
One thing about Mexican food is, does it taste good? Is from the spices they make the food very good, and as like sauces to it for adding unique taste.
Asian food is also well known for its taste, but it also, one of the best parts about it is it's extremely healthy. Asian food has great health benefits. It's good for you, it's good for the earth, it's good for your skin.
Welcome to the Quincy Quiz. Our two contestants are...
Hi, my name is Sebastian Leon Charles.
And hi, my name is Ian Zhao.
And we will get started with the first question. It is, the oldest known grave in Hancock Cemetery belongs to the great-great-grandfather of John Adams, who is A. Henry Adams, B. Joseph Adams, or C. William Adams.
I think it's A.
The correct answer is A. The next question is, in 2014, the Long Island Bridge closes as do the shelters on the island. A, true, or B, false?
True.
The correct answer is true. On to the next question. In 1732, the third building for First Parish Church is dedicated. It becomes known as the Hancock Meeting House. A, true, or B, false?
Yeah, it's true.
The correct answer is true.
The Electric Family.
Home. Land. Homeland. Home. Made. Homemade. Home. Owner. Homeowner. Home. Sick. Homesick. Home. Work. Homework. Home. Stead. Homestead.
Besides a rake and a shovel, what other supplies does
So close.